this is the brand new Cyansky K3 light. Full aluminum body, comes with a carrying case, has a belt clip right here. We've got our lanyard right here. It's got 6 different modes, 2,000 lumens, all these great things about it, and it's IP68 rated, which means it's dust and water resistant. But what does that actually mean? My name is Brent. This is a Live Free and Tool On. You're about to take a look at one of the best flashlights that I've actually ever used, and it's tactical. You know what? Let's go ahead and get into it. Now it's time to test this thing out. We are outside, and behind me I have a 40-foot sea container. I don't think you can actually see it, but let's see if this flashlight can light it up. This is on its lowest setting. All right, can you see that? Can you see that? It looks pretty good. Let's kick it up a notch. That's a little bit brighter. You can see it's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. All right, here's this one. Yes, look at that. This thing is awesome. You can see everything. All right, we're back down to low. All right, so this is 2000 CFM. You can see the container. It's so bright. But if we put it on Eco, can you see it on Eco? Now, how you put it on Eco is we're going to go ahead and we're going to press this top button right here, hold it, and we're going to press that. And you can see it's pretty light. It's kind of hard to see. I don't think you can actually see that on the container. It's a little bit of lumen, not that much, but it's going to last you 68 hours, and this is a full lithium ion. If we press this, all right, now we go up, you can see it again, and then we can go from there. But if we actually hold this button right here, now, it's too bright. I don't like that. I don't like the strobe, but there is a strobe, and then you have your 6 modes on that. So let's just take this thing around the property and you can see how well it does. Hey, listen, it is ridiculously cold and it is so windy outside right now. I love this flashlight, but it's like near 15 degrees Fahrenheit, which, as you all know, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're 17 degrees below freezing, and the wind is whipping like crazy. All I gotta say is I'm glad I have this. I'm so glad it has all the different modes on it. I'm gonna carry this in my bag when I'm going hiking. I'm not gonna lose it because you got your lanyard, you got your belt clip, you got your pouch, and you don't have to worry about using it in the rain or in dusty situations, and it's not that bad of a price either. Now, what you all need to do is head down below, click the link, let me know what you think. Make your own determination about it. But until next time, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the notification bell as well. I'm so cold, it's like my face is freezing. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Get there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and pass that knowledge on to the next generation, and we will all be better for it at the end of the day. Take care. I can't wait to see everybody in the next video.